Hello everybody, we are at Charlie's Car Wash here in Liberty, Missouri. We're getting ready to go through their tunnel here. Seems like it's a relatively new construction, so let's see how it goes. I am in my buddy Jacob's truck getting it washed because it needs a wash because it is a dirty motherfucker. So we're just waiting in line here at the cashier. Oops. Oh shit. Hello.
Hi, what controller do I select today?
He's an employee. I don't know if that matters or not.
Oh, no, it does.
Should be nothing in the bed, I don't think.
There's some...
Is it just the ratchet strap? Is that all it is? Yeah, get out.
Is it okay if he grabs it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, it's freezing.
Yep.
He's like, what the fuck is that?
What's his last name?
Mason.
First name?
Caden.
Katie with a C or K?
K.
How is Mason spelled?
M-A-S-O-N.
And Caden spelled
K-A-D-E-N.
K-A-D-E-N?
Yes.
Yeah.
They just started like a couple weeks ago.
When did they start?
I started like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks.
He still may not be in the system because the bookkeeper put that in and it has like
Ah.
so just bring him up first. Do you want a tire shine or no tire shine?
What do you want?
Tire shine.
Yeah, that tire shine.
No tire shine?
No tire shine, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so just bring up no tire shine or with tire.
There you go.
2
I didn't
minutes.
think about that part though.
Yeah, it is what it is. Oh,
Go.
That'll look pretty for Thursday.
You're good to go.
thank you. Right.
Oh, refill wash on these fuckers. Like, I forgot that I'm too new. I may be too new for anything. Just go up to where he says and just follow his directions. And just spray down with soap.
Oh, I know how tunnel washes work.
Get you thick.
Oh shit, those running boards might have an issue.
Nah. I've seen bigger cars come in here.
Oh shit. We're in neutral. Hands off the wheel.
Yes, the one position I hate doing.
This one.
Yes.
Dude, I don't know how long it's been since I've been in a car wash.
I don't even know if your light bar is going to survive this.
You will.
No, it's in the windows, but in the doors.
And if it falls off, it falls off. It'll be kept.
Probably should have taken it off.
Don't turn the wipers on. It's soaking down the goddamn windshield so it can be clean.
cars, I swear, man.
There you go.
All right, well, that is Charlie's Car Wash, and that is it. Have a good day.